Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as YouTube. Up first this evening, the St. Andrews Central Police are investigating a major job scam involving dozens of people from across the corporate area. The victims told TVJ News that they were approached by a company that promised them a 5-year work contract with a prominent hotel in the United States. But as Kalisha Williams reports, after collecting thousands of dollars from each applicant, the owner of the company is nowhere to be found.
The over 50 victims of an alleged job scam at the Halfway Tree police station Friday evening. This is moments after they told us they met with the organizers of a job opportunity in the United States for an update on their application.
So today was the second meeting. Today we realized that we has been scammed.
It all started with a job advertisement with an online company which promises applicants a 5-year contract with hotels in Florida and New York. We were told dozens of Jamaicans across the corporate area signed up, made payments, and submitted the requested documents. One of the victims told us they were later contacted by a man and a woman said to be the operators of the recruitment company.
She's been telling us that we can pay $35,000 and some people pay $70,000. It all depends. You can take your kids them with you and all. She says she's a real estate agent. So she said we are going to go overseas for 5 years and we are going to work at the hotel in Florida or New York. When we wake up this morning at 4, we receive a message from her saying that we should get to Mr. Sidama. We've been calling Mr. Sidama, no response or anything.
TVJ News also understands that the female suspect also visited the police station to provide a statement, but it appears the male suspect may have been the mastermind of the alleged job scam.
She's in the Halfway Tree police station now as we speak. She haven't given a statement as yet and they are holding her. We're supposed to go by the fraud office. They said they're working on escort. There's no one here. So we are here waiting to go with them so we can make a report. Because they took the money and after taking the money, they still took our passport. So even if we're not going to get our money, which we do need back, but especially our passports. And she have a lot of kids' passport as well too.
Some people paid up to $70,000, and for others who added their family members to the application, the fee would be higher. And now they're unable to reach the main suspect. When TVJ News tried to search for the website online, it was down. We also tried calling the number online, but this is all we got.
You have been redirected to the mailbox of the number.
The police told our news team they're gathering all the statements from the victims in order to proceed with the investigation. Meanwhile, the government has been warning Jamaicans seeking jobs overseas to only use official channels following an increase in international job scams over the past few years. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.